to install Oracle VM VirtualBox Guest Edition 6.0.8 in Windows 7 Virtual Machine. Guest Editions enables user to use virtual machine to its full potential. To use installed operating system in full screen, you need Guest Editions installed. It also allows file sharing between virtual machine and the physical computer. Now I am going to install Guest Editions in Windows 7 Virtual Machine. Click Device from your virtual machine. Select Insert Guest Edition CD image from drop-down menu. Run VBox Windows Edition.exe. Allow the program to make changes to virtual machine computer by clicking Yes. To begin Oracle VM VirtualBox Guest Edition 6.0.8 installation, click Next from the Setup wizard. Retain or change default Oracle VM VirtualBox Guest Edition 6.0.8 installation location, then click Next. Check the components you want to install and uncheck the components you don't want to install, and then click Install to start the installation. Please wait while Oracle VM VirtualBox Guest Edition 6.0.8 is being installed. On security window, select Always Trust Software from Oracle Corporation. And then click Install. When Oracle VM VirtualBox Guest Edition 6.0.8 is installed completely, select Reboot Now and click Finish for the changes to take effect. When Windows 7 Virtual Machine restarts, you are able to see VM in full screen.